Okay, Renault Master van with these fault codes DTC047129, DTC047195, DTC1525F3. Okay, so I unplugged the sensor underneath by the DPF and I ended up with this code, particulate filter relative pressure sensor, so that's not the right sensor. Now I've just put this code in, this 016, the signal outside lower limit, and I got that code by unplugging this sensor down here with the so that's going to be our sensor there. I found that by looking underneath. You can see a hard line from near the turbo coming up this way, and just a bit of a guess that this was going to be the plug. So that is where our sensor is on the back there. Obviously we've just got to pull this here and take off to get to it. Okay, so when you do the replacement job on this, I didn't actually get the replacement job on this one, but basically where that plug goes, you've got a little sensor under it that then plugs into a flexible hose going down onto the steel pipe. So it's just a matter of taking the hose clamp off, pulling the sensor out. It's got like a little bracket it mounts on. So undoing it from that and then putting your new sensor in, and that is how you remedy this fault code, just replacing the sensor. Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.